Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Please excuse my voice, I am still a little bit sick, but I picked this up on Amazon yesterday and it just came in and I wanted to do an unboxing of it. This is the Logitech MX Master 2S, and this in my opinion is probably one of the best computer mice money can buy. Apart from, your gaming mice and stuff like that, but just a good overall everyday mouse. This one is probably top of the line. I have had the MX Master before, but this is my first time with the improved Master 2S. Right now I picked this up on Amazon for I think $79. This is usually about $99 retail, like places like Best Buy, in normal price on Amazon. You can also pick up the first gen MX Master for about $59 on Amazon right now. I'll have those both linked down in the description down below. Excuse my voice, like I said, I do have a cold, so I am a little bit sick. But here it is right here. We're going to go ahead and pop open the box and get everything taken out. I haven't looked, I'm not too sure on what the exact difference is between the MX Master and the MX Master 2S are. So check Amazon for that. But like I said, I have had the MX Master, and I use that as a daily mouse until I picked up a gaming mouse and started using that. But the thing about the gaming mice, the battery life just isn't there for the wireless ones. I have the Corsair. This is the Corsair Dark Core, the Dark Core RGB, and this one lasts. I don't know what the rating on the hours are, but I can get a couple days out of it before having to recharge it. My biggest issue is I forget to recharge it, and it gets a little bit annoying when I come back to my computer and I click the mouse and nothing happens. I realize I forgot to plug it in and it's completely died. That just annoys me. So the MX Master 2S has a 70-day battery life supposedly, so we'll see how that goes. It will support up to 3 devices, either with the included USB dongle or Bluetooth. And you can switch between those 3 devices seamlessly. Ooh. So here is the mouse, and the charging cable is also behind that. So here is your charging cable. It is just micro USB, so you can plug this in and use it as a wired mouse as well, or plug it in and use it while it charges if you need to do that. So here is that little piece of plastic. Here is the mouse itself with the instructions on how to connect it. So turn it on. So right here, there's a button on the bottom that allows you, right here, the 1, 2, and 3, that allows you to switch it between the 3 different devices with the push of a button. So whatever device you have each number paired to, you can switch to that. And that works with the dongle and Bluetooth as well. So here is the mouse right here with the scroll wheel. This mouse has a really good ergonomic grip. It feels really great in the hands. It does come in some other colors too, which you can check out on Amazon. Like I said, link will be down in the description below. We have a little user's guide right here, which we're not going to need. And then this is the Logitech receiver right here. If your computer does not have Bluetooth, you can use that to connect it wirelessly to your computer. But there is the Logitech MX Master 2S. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.